Hello everyone, today we'll explore all the main ways to trade on Blofin, so you can understand how to profit from crypto. Spot trading, learn how to buy cryptocurrency and become an owner, hold Bitcoin, or sell it for a profit. We'll dive into futures trading, how to profit from rising or falling prices, even with a small capital. Next, we'll look at trading bots, how to set up automated trading so the market earns for you 24/7. We'll also understand copy trading, how to replicate the trades of experienced traders and earn without deep knowledge. Why Blofin? Blofin is a cryptocurrency exchange that stands out for its convenience and advanced features. It was launched in 2019. There's no requirement for KYC identity verification on the exchange. Low fees for spot trading, 0.1%. On futures, 0.02%. Copy trading. You can copy the trades of experienced traders by selecting them based on their profitability statistics. This is perfect for beginners to learn and earn. Futures with 150 leverage. Trading bots via API. Set up automated trading to earn 24/7 without your involvement. Buying crypto with fiat. The exchange supports over 80 currencies, including dollar and euro, with payment via card. Education for beginners. Blofin Academy offers lessons and guides that explain how to trade and understand crypto. Top-notch security. Your funds are protected with cold wallets, Fireblocks insurance, and transaction checks through Chainalysis. Now let me tell you about a unique bonus you can get if you register using our referral link in the description below the video with the promo code COPYTRADE10. 10% cashback for topping up your copy trading account with $500 or more. Top up with $500. Receive a 50 USDT bonus. Top up with $1,000. Get $100 on your bonus account. This is available only for new users who register through our link and haven't topped up their balance yet. Only the amount transferred to the copy trading account is considered. It can be used for copying traders' deals. The bonus is valid for 7 days and is available only for the first 50 participants. It will be credited within 2 days after the promotion ends. Let's dive into what spot trading is all about. When you buy cryptocurrency, it becomes yours. For example, if you buy Bitcoin, it sits in your wallet, and you can hold onto it until the price increases, then sell it for a profit. Here's how to trade on the Blofin spot market step by step. First, open the Blofin website or app and log into your account. Go to the Assets or Wallet section and transfer funds from your funding account to the spot account. Now click on the trade icon and select Spot. In the search bar, enter the trading pair. For example, BTC USDT, which means you are buying Bitcoin with USDT. You will then see the trading interface. In the center is the price chart, and on the right is the order window. Now, choose the type of order, market order. This means buying at the current market price. Enter the amount, for example 100 USDT, and click Buy BTC. The transaction will execute immediately, and Bitcoin will appear in your wallet. Limit order. Set the price at which you want to buy, for example 100,000 per Bitcoin. Enter the amount, click Buy BTC, and the order will execute when the price reaches your target of 100,000. Check your spot balance in the Assets section, or it might be called Wallet. There you will see the purchased crypto. A quick announcement. We have a Telegram channel where we've launched an AI agent for market monitoring. It publishes the most important news, fresh analytics, and trading ideas. Additionally, there's a trading chat with fellow traders, and very soon members will be able to use a personal AI assistant. Follow the links in the description and become our partner. Spot and futures trading are two distinct approaches to earning with crypto, each suited for different goals. Spot trading. You purchase actual cryptocurrency and it becomes yours. It's like buying a car. You own it and can use it until you decide to sell it. Now, moving on to futures trading. In futures trading, you don't buy the cryptocurrency itself like you do in spot trading. Instead, you make a trade based on its price change. You earn by speculating on the price movement without owning the asset directly. This allows you to profit from both market rises and falls. Plus, there's leverage, which amplifies your capital and profits. However, the risks are higher. If the market goes against you, you can lose money. Now, let's delve deeper into futures. Open Blofin in the app or on the website. Link in the description. Click on the wallet, or it might be labeled as Assets, and transfer funds from your funding account to the futures account. Now select Trade and click on Futures. Find a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. The interface will open. On the right is the order window. Now let's go over how to set everything up. Futures allow you to profit in two directions. Long, you bet on the price increasing. Short, you bet on the price decreasing. Leverage. On Blofin, you can choose leverage up to 150. For example, if you have 100 USDT with 10x leverage, you trade as if you have 1000 USDT. If the price moves in your favor, your profit increases tenfold. However, if the market moves against you, your loss is also increased tenfold. Example. You open a long position on Bitcoin with 100 USDT and 10x leverage. If the price rises by 5%, you earn 50 USDT. Without leverage, you would have earned only 5 USDT. But if the price drops by 5%, you lose $50. Beginners are better off starting with lower leverage, like 3x or a maximum of 5x, to minimize risks. Let's talk about margin. Simply put, it's the money you deposit as collateral to open a position. On Blofin, there are two types of margin. Isolated margin. You allocate only a portion of your funds to a single trade. For example, you put 100 USDT into a position, and if the market goes against you, you only risk those 100 USDT. This is safer, especially for beginners, as there's no risk of losing all your money, unlike with cross margin. Cross margin. Your entire balance is used to maintain the position. Choose isolated margin if you want to clearly control risks. It's important to understand, when trading futures with isolated margin, you only risk the amount you've invested in a specific trade. However, if the market moves against you and the price approaches the liquidation zone, your position might be forcibly closed unless you add more funds. Essentially, you need to top up the margin to save the trade. With cross margin, the situation is different. Here, your entire available account balance serves as protection against liquidation. The market might dip, but the system automatically pulls from your overall balance to maintain the position. In this case, you don't need to manually top up, your balance automatically ensures your trade. However, there's a downside. If there's a strong movement against you, you could lose your entire balance, not just the portion you invested. Now let's move on to types of orders. Market order. This is buying or selling at the current market price. You specify the amount, for example, 1000 USDT, choose long or short, and hit open trade. Your trade is executed immediately at the current market price. Limit order. You set the price at which you want to open a position. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin at 90,000. You specify the price, open the trade, and wait until the price reaches your set target. In this case, $90,000. Conditional order. This is an order that doesn't execute immediately but waits for the right price. Unlike a limit order, where the price must move against your desired direction, a conditional order is used when you want to enter a position, but wait for confirmation of movement in your favor. For example, if Bitcoin is at 100,000 and you want to go long, but not at the current price, and only if the market breaks the resistance level, you set a conditional order with a trigger price of 101,000. When the market reaches this price, the buy order executes. This allows you to enter with the trend when the market confirms your idea. This type of order is convenient for breakouts, stop losses, or automatic entries based on strategy. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave any comment, and subscribe to the channel. Done? Let's move on. Now let's talk about managing risks and profits using stop loss and take profit. Stop loss. This automatically closes a position if the market moves against you, limiting your losses. For example, if you open along at $90,000 and set a stop loss at 89,000 USDT, the position will automatically close if the price drops to 89,000 USDT, ensuring you only lose what you planned. Take profit. This locks in profits when the price reaches your specified target. For example, in the same long position, you set a take profit at $100,000. If the price reaches this level, the position closes automatically and you secure your profit. Trailing stop. This is like a smart protection for your profit. Imagine you bought Bitcoin at 90,000 and it starts rising. You want to keep earning, but are afraid the price might suddenly drop. That's where a trailing stop helps. You tell the system, if the price rises, don't touch the position, but if it starts falling by more than 5%, close the trade and lock in the profit. The essence is that the trailing stop follows the price, but doesn't move backward. If Bitcoin rises, the stop trails higher. If the price starts to fall, it doesn't move and triggers when the drop reaches the set distance, like those 5%. This way, a trailing stop helps maximize profit during growth and protect it from sudden market reversals. It's a very handy tool, especially in volatile conditions. There's another method called phased closing, or closing with multiple take profits. For example, you open a long position on Bitcoin at $90,000. You set first take profit at $92,000 to close 50% of the position. Second take profit at $95,000 to close another 30%. Hold the remaining 20% for a rise to 100,000. This way, you gradually take profit and reduce risk if the market turns. You can set this up in the order window when opening a trade. Let's move on. Trading bots on Blofin are programs that automatically trade for you following set rules. They're like your personal assistant, working 24/7 while you sleep. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a trading bot. Log into the Blofin exchange via the app or website. Go to the Trade section and select Futures. In the Futures interface, find the Bots tab. Choose the type of bot. For beginners, a signal bot is suitable, trading based on predefined conditions. For example, when a certain price is reached. Select a trading pair such as BTC, USDT for the bot to trade Bitcoin contracts. Configure the bot's parameters. Choose the direction. Specify the amount for trading, for example, 50 USDT. Set entry conditions. For example, open along if the price increases by 1%. Be sure to set a stop loss to close the trade if the market drops, for example, by 2%. Set a take profit to lock in profits, for example, if the price rises by 5%. Once everything is set up, carefully review the parameters and click Start Bot. Now it will trade automatically for you following all specified conditions. There's another way to earn called the Grid Bot. This tool trades on your behalf, buying coins when prices fall and selling when they rise. Your funds are split in half. One part for buying coins and the other for additional purchases if the price moves against you. It profits from price fluctuations. Let's break down how to set up a bot to make a profit. Go to Trade, then click on Bots and select Spot Grid. Click on the pair selection. Find SOL, USDT. Set 20 trades. The bot will divide the range into 20 parts, each yielding about 2.7% profit. Enter the amount. Click Create Bot. It will start trading. Let's talk about copy trading on Blofin. It's a way to earn by mirroring the trades of experienced traders. You choose a successful trader, and your funds automatically replicate their actions. It's perfect for beginners who want to start earning without in-depth knowledge. Let's break down how it works on Blofin and how you can profit from it. Log into the Blofin exchange, find the Wallet or Assets button, and then click Transfer. Transfer from funding to the copy trading account. Go to the Trade section and select Copy Trading. Review the list of traders on the exchange. Blofin shows their statistics, profitability, number of trades, and risk level. For example, a trader with a 200% return in a month and low risk is a good choice. Select a trader by clicking on their profile and specify the amount for copying, for example, 50 USDT. Configure the parameters. Leverage, if copying futures. For example, 5x is suitable for beginners. Stop loss to limit losses. For example, close if you lose 10%. Click Start Copying. Now, all the trader's trades will be automatically replicated in your account. One more thing, the trader charges a fee for copying, usually 20% of the profits. Here's the breakdown we have. Overall, Blofin is a modern platform with a user-friendly interface and essential tools for trading and investing. Don't forget to enter the promo code COPYTRADE10 during registration to receive bonuses on your first deposit, and join us on our Telegram channel. If you found the material helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and leave a comment. Wishing everyone big profits.